All right, so we're going to be subtracting decimals today. So the word problem is Precious has $5.35. She went to the store and purchased a bag of chips for $2.49. How much money does she have left? Okay, so I know that this is a subtraction problem because when you go to the store and you buy something, you are actually losing money. And the question also said, how much money does she have left? Okay, so we're going to start off with estimation. So I think that $5.35 is almost close to $5, and then $2.49 is close to $2.50. So I think the answer will be between $2.50 and $3. Okay, so let's get started. The first model that we're going to use is we're going to use an area model. Okay, so on my paper I've already drew out $5.35. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 full 100 blocks shaded in, and then I have 10, 20, 30, 10 shaded in, and then I have 5 ones shaded in to represent 5 and 35 hundredths. Okay, so we are going to be subtracting. So I'm going to take my pencil and subtract. So it's $2.49 or $2 or 2 and 49 hundredths. So I'm going to get rid of 2 whole 100 blocks because this is in the ones place. Okay, next I need to get rid of 40. Okay, because this 4 is in the tens place. So I'm going to cross out 10, 20, 30. I'm going to come over here and regroup, and then I'm going to cross out 40, okay? So I got rid of the 40, and now I'm going to get rid of 9 ones. So I'm going to cross out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I have to come over here and keep going. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay? And to get my final answer, I need to look at what's left. So I know that I have 2 whole hundreds left. So 2, because that goes in the ones place. And now I need to come over and I need to count. Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So I'm going to put the 8 in the tens place, and then now I'm going to count the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my answer would be $2.86. Okay, so now we are going to use the set model. Okay, so we're going to represent this problem using money. Okay, so I already drew out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. I have 30 represented by dimes, 10 cents, and then I have the 5 represented by 1 cent. Okay, so remember I'm subtracting, so the goal is to get rid of the 2 first. So $2, crossing that out. Okay, now I want to subtract the 49 cents. But if you look, I only have 30 cents, right? Well, I can take one of these dollars and I'm going to put 1 slant through it, and then I'm going to regroup. So I'm going to make 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. I'm going to stop at 90, and then I'm going to take one of these dimes and make it 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So remember, these are 10 cents. These represent the dimes. Okay, and then these are going to represent the 1 cent. Okay, and now I'm going to go in and finish subtracting. So I'm going to get rid of 40. So 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, and then now I'm going to get rid of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now I need to count the change that's left. So that's $2, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86. So my answer once again is $2.86. Okay, now we are going to use the number line. Okay, when we use the number line, I'm going to start with the smallest number, which is 2 and 49 hundredths, and the goal is to get to 5 and 35 hundredths. Okay, so when I work this out, I am going to jump and get to, I'm going to do 1 cent or 100ths, and I'm going to get to 2 and 50 hundredths, okay? So after I do that, I'm going to add a whole, then I'm going to get 3 and 50 hundredths. I added 1, okay? I'm going to do it again. Then I'm going to get 450, and if you look at the top, I'm writing what I'm adding, okay? And so now I'm at 4 and 50 hundredths, and the goal is to get to 5 and 35 hundredths. So then I'm going to add half of that and get 5. And I added 50 hundredths, and now I want to add 35 hundredths to get to 5 and 35 hundredths. And to get my final answer, I would like to add these up together to get the final answer. So I know that that's 2, and then I have 50, 35, and 1. And when I'm adding them up, I'm lining them up by place value to get my final answer. So the answer will be 2 and 86 hundredths.